Are you wondering if you can do affiliate marketing without a website? Well, yes, of course you can. Okay, that's it. No, I'm joking. The video is going to be a little bit longer than this, right? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways in which you can do affiliate marketing without a website. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and welcome to this video. So, affiliate marketing is an absolutely great way that you can make extra income, either a little bit of extra money or a lot of money, right? Depending on what your goal is. So, many people think they need a website to do affiliate marketing, right? They need to build a complicated website and with lots and lots of articles about different products. But actually, it's not necessary. It is a way that you can do affiliate marketing, but it's not necessary. So we are going to go into different ways that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. Now, before I go into details, I just want to make one thing clear. In this video, I'm not going to give you a lot of detail. I'm just going to show you 5 ways in which you can do affiliate marketing without a website. Then I will make a series of other videos that goes into more details of exactly how to do it, okay? So that's just to make it clear. This is just giving you an idea of how you can do it without a website. So let's go. So the first way you can do affiliate marketing without a website, it's so obvious that it's stupid, really. You can get affiliate links to products that you love, right, and that you're using, and you can recommend these to family and friends. Now, I know this sounds really, really basic, but I mean, it's true, you know. You can be, I don't know, an affiliate for Nike, apparently. So, you know, you can give your affiliate link to your friends you want to buy Nike shoes, right? For instance, you know, it can be a very simple way to make a bit of extra money with affiliate marketing. It's not probably going to build you a 6 or 7 figure income, right? But, you know, we all welcome a little bit of extra money, right? So that is way number 1. So the second way you can do affiliate marketing without a website is to use social media. We all on social media, right? Even 50-year-old women like me. God, it's crazy. So, you know, why not use social media? This is where a lot of your audience is going to be. Now, again, I will dive much deeper into the details of how to do this, but for now I'll just tell you, I mean, the 5 most biggest social media platforms I'm thinking of right now, making this video, are, you know, you could do affiliate marketing on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on TikTok, right? And there are many more social media platforms that you could do affiliate marketing on, but these are sort of the biggest ones that come to my mind straight away. I will make more detailed videos on how you could do that, but you know, if you're present on these social media platforms anyway, and you are talking about whatever you're passionate about, whatever your niche is, you know, maybe you are a fitness enthusiast, or that is your work, right? You're doing that for a living. So then, you know, you're building authority on the platform anyway. So you might as well find ways in which you can share your affiliate link with people who are following you. Does that make sense? So really, it's a way of using a platform that you're using anyway to share your affiliate links and make extra income. You could again make a little bit of extra income or build a proper 6 or even 7 figure business using social media. So it's potentially extremely powerful. So that is my second way to do affiliate marketing without a website. Now, my third idea of how to do affiliate marketing without a website is to create an ebook. Again, if you are an expert in something, right? Why not create an ebook? I did a quick Google search and look what results I came up with. it seems that there are free and easy ways, right, to create an ebook. So you could create an ebook that talks about the particular topic that you are active in, right? I don't know, if you in the diet, the diet niche, for instance, you could talk about, ways to lose weight, to get, to follow a particular diet. You help your audience with their problem, right? You give them tips and tricks and advice. And then in this ebook, you put affiliate links, right? So, once the ebook is created, you then either sell it or give it for free. In the ebook, you recommend good products and you make commissions on the sales, right? And that's very sort of relatively easy or simple way to make affiliate commissions. And again, if you have a big audience, I guess you can make substantial income with that, right? That's my third way that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. Now, my fourth idea to do affiliate marketing without a website is, I must admit, something I don't know much about, but it's to be active on online forums and communities. Now, again, you're probably thinking, what? Online forums and communities? I mean, these are things from a long time ago. But actually, when I was researching for this video, I kind of did a simple Google search and look what I found. Actually, online forums and communities are not dead, okay? So if you are one of these people who is active in, on an online forum anyway, why not use it really to grow your audience and attract people to you, and then give them your affiliate links when they ask you, what do you recommend? So I'm not a specialist. I'm not on any online forums, but my guess is it works a little bit like social media. You talk about what you know, you help people with their problems, and as you help more and more people will probably reach out to you, ask you how you can help them, and you can give your affiliate links, right? So that's another way you can do affiliate marketing without a website. And now way number 5, which is of course my favorite one, because this is what I do. You can have a YouTube channel. You can do affiliate marketing on YouTube, right? If you have a passion or something you know about or something you're learning about, create a YouTube channel and then you put affiliate links in the description of the video, right? That is an absolutely great way to help people with your content. Because if you're making videos that are helping people or entertaining people, doing something to help people in their daily life, and then you are promoting products that you have tried, that you have tested, that you know are going to be helpful to people, and then they click on the link and they buy, then you make money. So kind of everybody wins really, right? So that is really, really a great way and an easy way. Well, an easy way, a simple, nothing is ever easy, right? But it's a simple way that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. And, you don't have to have a huge channel. As you can see at the time of shooting this video, I don't even have 1,000 subscribers, right? And, I started making affiliate commissions with my small YouTube channel before I even had 100 subscribers. So really, the key is to make content that somehow is going to help people, whatever your niche, right? You could do any YouTube videos. Really, you could do, YouTube videos that are reviewing books that you're reading, right? Or it could be a cooking channel. You share recipes. Or it could be, a gardening channel or anything, a technical channel. It could be tutorials on how to do things on WordPress or anything at all, right? Whatever you do, if you share it on video, I bet there is something you are using, right, that has an affiliate program that you could then promote, right? If you use it, you might as well promote it, Okay, so that is an absolutely great way that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. So we're coming to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, just give it a quick like, okay? Now, as I said, this was an overview, but stay tuned because I will be publishing more videos giving you more step-by-step guides about, how to do affiliate marketing on Facebook, how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, things like that, right? This wasn't very detailed. It was sort of just to give you general ideas, but I will be making more detailed videos that will help you more specifically know what to do exactly to get started. So if you want to catch these videos, if you want to be notified when they are published, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. That way you'll get a notification when I publish them. They will be published over the next few weeks. In the meantime, if you have any specific questions about this video, about affiliate marketing in general, just post your questions in the comments below. And of course, I'll get back to you with answers as soon as I can. And that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.